My people, how na dey? My name na AU David. I'm here one. The Agbudu Yole. Or God go himself. Say na respect na dey foul. If you reach domot, you go bed down. Not because say foul you talk. Now waiting dog do for where yam dey. Na make na dey pursue dog. Not because say dog dey eat yam. My brother, many things happen. Now we want talk today. Make una look this picture where. This man I they call Orji Uzor Kalu. When I don't say I don't fair report before, tell now say Orji Uzor Kalu don't sentence and go jail. Say make the man go spend 12 years for jail because say he thief money. Say that if thief Jankoliko, how are you shame na him be? Say when he did governor, he thief money well and he thief 7.6 billion naira. Now he thief. Now 12 years now they take judge the case. Now they come sentence and go jail. Make you go spend 12 years for jail. Not be this one be the matter when I want talk. But waiting they pay me for inside and be this one when I want talk. Now the sentence and go jail. Make you go spend 12 years. Our Senate president. Now the Senate president be this one. Ahmed Lawan na be name. In case you don't know, na be this one. Ahmed Lawan come out talk say the Senate no go declare Orji Uzor Kalu seat vacant. Say the seat for Uzor Kalu is still there gidigba. Say e not dey law. Say the man they not go fee pay him. Say them will still they pay the man his salary even when he dey jail. Now, Mr. Senate President. As Uzor Kalu dey jail now, he dey serve. He go serve for 12 good years. Now say no go fit declare his seat vacant. I want to ask you a question. Now who will come to represent Abia North now? Abia North Senatorial District. Who want to represent them for Senate? In case you they discuss matter now who want stand? They talk for the people of Abia North. That one come me say Abia North East Senatorial District no go come get person when they talk for them, when they follow the reason waiting Nigeria constitution go be, how the law go be. Me I don't understand this matter when I talk. When I say now no go fit declare a seat vacant. The one when come shock me for inside, the one when he mesmerize my brain. Now he be the one when I talk say una go dey still dey pay his salary. My people, this man he dey jail. He go still dey receive salary 40.2 million naira every month. Make una reason this matter. Person when he dey jail, he go dey receive 14.2 million naira. In 1 year, this man will receive 170 million naira. That's 170.4. But 400 million. 170.400 million a year. Now una go pack give this man. Then the 12 years when he was spent, the man will don't receive 2.44 billion naira. Now there you go. You say law not the way it make you feel remove this thing for this guy man mouth. Say he must chop the money. Common sense not tell you say person when he dey jail, if you pay a criminal offense, you pay this kind of money in a criminal offense. Why these people when they work every day, they work for under sun, work for under siren, do everything, make sure say things better for the country. They beg una make una pay them minimum wage of 30,000. My people, I do this mathematics so that money now, the new minimum wage when they approve now, that money when they want to pay only Uzor Kalu. Now that money they will take pay 68,160 people. 68,68160 people now they will take pay them for the same 12 years. The money where Ole Uzo Kalu go collect. And it is jail. Which can contribute this one? I don't understand that. Una don't turn yourself to Pharaoh. I be waiting now. Don't become. I don't understand that. First, person will not feel represent Abia not again. Second, the money now go the pack and give am. Not be only Uzo Kalu this thing they happen to. Now so the city they pack money they give Joshua Dariye, former Plateau State governor. Now a senate they call him Senator Joshua Dariye. 14.2 million every month. 14.2 million. Now they pay all these people. Who do this one to us? Who do this one to Nigeria? Where Nigeria for me, son? Where? How would they reach this level? When it be say some people they don't take themselves as I want to speak the English monopoly. They don't monopolize Nigeria. Put them for pocket. Now their children who they call the Senate now. They just want. I don't understand it. Why they doing all this thing? Me no know. Me no know why they do all this thing. Una count 14.2 million. Now only Nigeria this kind of thing for the happen. For international everywhere in the world, enough it happen. You don't they don't sentence you, say you thief money. They still they use the government money, still they pay you. And the money when they still they pay you, it be past people when they work. People when they suffer, when they labor. Only you they receive 14.2 million every month. When it be said common man for the street where they do the work, then they give them 30,000. 30,000. At the 10,000 now, they never even start them. Now, me just they say 30,000, and me just they talk. They never start the 30,000. They approve and then they tell us. Me and one start upon that 30,000. Say, assume me say that they give them only 30,000. And they give civil servant. Call a minimum wage. Person when he dey jail because he don't fit do senator, do governor. He thief the money when he thief there another ration. Now see they count 14.2 million they give am. Make it what you want use am do. Person thief 7.6 billion. Una want that say that go jail. Una want give am 2 billion. Haba. Common sense to tell una say Nigerians say we no door. Let make this man say our mumu don't do. He say our mumu don't do. Our mumu don't really do until Nigerians wake up. These men they will continue to do what they do until we wake up and say no. All this thing what they do is not good. The thing will continue until Nigeria wake up. This thing will continue now. So they go do one. Their children already they come now. Their children they go senate now. As a big deal ring my brain. If I say make I talk, I feel go insult person. I beg how una see ya. Make una write una comment. How una see ya. It good maybe say person when he go he dey jail. Say thief our money he dey jail. They still they give out 40.2 million every month. It good. Now better thing. I wanna see and make una write out. Me I want see waiting una. I wanna see reason this matter. God bless you. Make una do a Nigerians. Make una write out. I want see I wanna reason this matter. Whether it good maybe say person when he dey jail, dey prison, then they give am 40.2 million and they still keep seats for Senate. They wait am. A seat for Senate. They still keep on the wait am. 12 years now you want go spend though. Now for the 4 years of this nice Senate, nobody will represent Abia North Senatorial District. The seat is the way for Kalu there. I will not see her. I beg if you never subscribe, put your hand for the red button. Subscribe. God will bless you as you subscribe. Help your brother to reach 10,000 subscribers. God bless you.